everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1970 Dodge Super Bee. Killer car, guys. It's only got, I'm going to say it's probably got 7 on it now. I just drove it a little bit ago. Miles on it since a complete rotisserie restoration. Factory FC7 Plum Crazy purple car. I love the plum with the white, just jumps off the car. I'm not even a huge 70 Super Bee fan, but I'll tell you what, I love that car, this car with this color combination. Again, brand new rotisserie restoration. Matter of fact, I just had to take it down to AC Tire and get the alignment done. It had never been aligned. There was really no miles on it when we got it. It's probably got about 7 miles on it that we put on it. But killer car, again, FC7 Plum Crazy purple car from the factory. Original 3-3 car that now has a 440 in it. That's brand spanking new. I've got the receipt for that. It was all professional built 440, automatic trans. And really just a pretty car. The body and paint was done at Rocket Restorations. I know a lot of Mopar guys know that company. It's out in Washington. This is the weak point on this car. It's got the original front bumpers, and I'll tell you why, guys. You can't get the bumpers right now. So the only way to do it is to have them sent out and re-chromed, and obviously they didn't want to wait and do that. Little bug on there. But pretty paint. I didn't see a whole lot you can really nitpick in the paint. There's a couple little blemishes, but really that's about it. It's got the fender mount turn signals on it with the hood pins. You can see the grill's really nice. Again, there's a couple little marks in the bumpers, but you can't get them. You'd have to send them out and have them re-chromed. Vinyl top, glass on the car is nice. It all rolls up and down real easy. The bugs like this one, they're flying all around. Again, pretty paint. There's a couple marks here in your rear window. Again, that's probably something that's not easy to find, guys. It's the original Chrysler glass in it. Pretty car. I've got some restoration receipts. Again, there is a receipt on the engine for sure in the trunk here. Original tail panel, so there's a couple little marks in it. It's supposed to have all the original body panels. You can see the car's nice and clean and straight. It's got a set of American Racing torque thrust D's on it. The wider ones in the back, I believe those are 10-inch wide in the rear, 7s in the front. It's got brand new Cooper Cobra white letter tires all the way around it. Now this bumper they had in stock, so this one's a brand new rear bumper. But on that front bumper, you're gonna probably end up doing, having to pull the bumpers off, send it to a company. There's a company down in Tennessee called Tri-City Plating that does that. Because nobody seems to have that bumper in stock. That is a pretty color combo, man. It just jumps off that car. Power front disc brakes. You can see the underneath. The front part is all done in purple, and then the back part they've done in that black, like a satin. Dual chrome mirrors. This is actually a warranty replacement block because there's no actually VIN on the block. But again, it's a professional rebuild, pretty much standard. They didn't go with a big cam or anything like that. Edelbrock 4-barrel with an Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds, brand new power steering unit, new aluminum radiator with a shroud, power front disc brakes. They have converted it to electronic ignition. It's a 727 Torqueflite automatic trans with a 2500 stall converter in it. There's your fender tag. Also, always snap a photo of them and put them on there. Neat car. I drove it this morning, picking it up from the alignment shop. Good car. Hits the road nice. Again, you can see inside those fender wells. It's all purple up front. All brand new front suspension. Pretty car. Again, original 3D3 car. They converted to a 440. This is your original A-pillar chrome. Really nice. Couple little pits in it that you can see. This is a remote mirror. It's, again, dual chrome mirror car. They've definitely replaced those. New window fuzzies, new door rubbers. Look how nice those doors are. All brand new interior. There is a receipt for that in there. New carpet, new sill plates. Bucket seats, console. They leather wrapped the steering wheel. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner's nice. Yeah, the factory clock works. It's a factory tach car, 42,668. I'm sure that's 140. I'm assuming could be 42,000. I'm not real sure, but it has been all restored. But he's actually running all the aftermarket gauges underneath here. All these gauges do work except for the tach, because he's running electronic, so he's running on that Sun tach. AM radio in the dash. There's an aftermarket Kenwood in the glove box. It's all stainless dual exhaust. 8 3/4 323 sure grip rear end. Pretty car, man. Brand new spare in the trunk, and again, it's all body color. You can see it's looks like the original insulation there on your quarter panels. Here's all your receipts for the restoration. A couple of, like, we'll put this on. This goes underneath the hood. A couple little parts they just got. The inspection plates, which I will have my guy put on. We, like I said, it had never been aligned. So, sorry, a little dust there, guys. We didn't even put the inspection plates were never put on it. But like I say, we just sent it down to AC Tire, had it all aligned, and we'll get that stuff put on. Pretty car. Again, very nice underneath. It's all fresh. That purple with that white is just killer. I put a couple miles on it this morning. Really drove good. Like I say, it's how I know all, both sets of gauges are actually working. I know the wipers work. I'm sure there's going to be some shakedown miles on the car. Oh, that ain't really beautiful. Again, fires right up. Other than a couple little upgrades, pretty standard. Yeah, you can go ahead and shut that and pin it. Again, clock works, no on the tach there. You can see your gauges all do work there. And then everything down there, the tach works down there. Everything is, but the only thing that doesn't work in the dash is the tach. And again, it's been converted to electronic ignition. Got a ball backing up on that side. Hit your brakes again, Jordy? Yeah, we'll check that. I'm sure it's just a connection on the bulb. I know all the lights and everything were working. Same thing in my little truck. No, radio's in here. It's got aftermarket radio in there. Oh, it's on standby, whatever. Probably blow our eardrums out now. Oh, I don't know. I'm going through some mode, but it does work. Again, all your gauges down here work. Blower motor does work, guys. Those doors close nice. So you can get these. Yeah, you see that one. Fender mount turn signals work as I jab myself in the face with the antenna. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Now that brake light's working, that's what I mean. It's probably just a connection. Have a great day, guys.